Flautas, also known as tacos dorados or taquitos. These are rolled tacos that are filled with any kind of filling, whether it's meat or in this case, potatoes, deep fried and topped with whatever type of condiments you want. The basics are that we're going to roll up a tortilla with any filling. In this case, we're using potatoes today. Seal it together with a toothpick or two and drop it in the fryer. It's that simple. I've got my oil going to about 375 Fahrenheit, which is a really, really kind of tight medium range to fry in. I'd say just remember, if you're gonna do a lot of these at the same time, try not to crowd your pot. The more you have in there, the faster the temperature is gonna drop. So I'm doing about 3 at a time in a pot of this size. How long do you cook these for? Really, you wanna wait and determine the color. Golden brown is really kind of the best indicator that it's done. There's also a second trick, which is that if you notice when you first drop a flauta in, it'll start to really sizzle a lot. When it's not sizzling like at all, it means that all of the moisture's been displaced and it's kind of crisping up. So you can kind of use that as a guide too, if you're not able to determine the color. All right, so let's plate our flautas. First things first, take out your toothpicks. Don't want to have those in there. Might still be hot, so you can wait just for a minute or two before they totally cool. So to garnish, I keep it pretty simple. I used a little bit of avocado salsa, which is just like tomatillos and avocado, queso fresco, a little bit of sour cream or just crema, and iceberg lettuce thinly sliced. Flautas, delicious.